Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
So, how are you all today?
We are fine, sir.
Fine, right?
Yes.
So, today in grammar class, I'll be discussing about the applications, right? In applications, I'll be discussing the most important part, the definition, right? And the types of application and their uses, right? So from beginning of your class, means so when you move in class 5 or 6, right? Your class teacher, especially your class teacher and had actually he or she told you to write an application to the principal whenever you were absent from your class, right? So basically some of the students actually you all actually write the application in a proper way, but today actually I found that from a very long period of time, right, I couldn't take your advance writing section, right? So today I'll be discussing about the application, right? What is application and what do we write an application, and हम application को और किनको किनको लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है, everything I'll be discussing, right? Okay. So application क्या है? हमारा एक formal written process है. हमारा क्या है? Formal written process है. Actually, generally we write application to principal, director, right? Manager. प्रिंसिपल के पास हम लोग जो एप्लीकेशन लिखते हैं वो होता है रिगार्डिंग योर एब्सेंट, राइट, एंड रिगार्डिंग मे बी सम अदर इश्यूज लाइक टू allow you to go for the allow your principal, actually if your principal allows you to take advantage of sport, right? Not only sport but also if your principal allows you to take advantage for your computer classes, right? In company or in for the post of the manager, generally we write application to the bank manager. Not only bank manager but also some limited company. अब बैंक मैनेजर को हमको एप्लीकेशन लिखते हैं कि मेरा पासबुक जो है खो गया है, kindly reprint my passport. So manager will request you to bring a passport size photo and he will just issue the same account number, right? And there would be a stamp and signature of the clerk or manager over there, right? So it was about the application to the manager. And here actually whenever you write an application, think in your mind, you always try to think in your mind that your principal, your manager, right, who's having a good actually you can say a designation, right, who is a senior to you, right, senior than you, right? So always try to use polite words, dear sir, right? Do you understand? Okay, so here are types of applications and some uses, basic uses I have written over here. Leave application. Actually, generally we write a leave application for our own purpose, right? Regarding leave due to illness, suppose if you are suffering from fever, headache or some other issues, you write application to your principal, right? Next is a leave for family function. Suppose that you have attended a marriage ceremony, birthday party last night, then your principal or your class teacher will say you to write an application to the principal. Getting my point? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Okay, next is a leave for personal work. Maybe some personal work, personal reason that you don't want to share with your principal or your class teacher, right? So did you understand the leave application? Now come to the application for admission. Application for admission. Actually, we write this application for admission for the admission of our child, admission personally for a student in a different college or university or school, right? हम लोग इसको एडमिशन के लिए क्या करते हैं, हम लोग कोई कोर्स के लिए, जैसे आपको एमबीए करना है, जैसे आपको बीबीए करना है, या राइट, जैसे आपको और भी चीज कोर्सेज करना है, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एडमिशन जो है एप्लीकेशन और एडमिशन लिखते हैं. आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग, राइट. तो ये हम अभी बता रहे हैं आप लोगों को टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? नेक्स्ट इज एप्लीकेशन फॉर जॉब. एप्लीकेशन फॉर जॉब. In application for job, generally we write application for post in a company or institution. Application may be here an example over here. Application for math teacher, application for English teacher, application for you can say for the post of a guard, you can say, and many actually persons can write their application on for the various uses of job, right? Next is application for TC, transfer certificate. Transfer, basically when you pass your matriculation examination from here, then your provisional certificate, right, your character certificate, as well as your TC would be providing from here. And there would be a sign and stamp of principal. Did you understand? तो ट्रांसफर सर्टिफिकेट हम लोग उसको कहते हैं जब आप स्कूल को छोड़ रहे हो, या बिफोर क्लास 9, बिफोर क्लास 10 और आफ्टर क्लास 10, आफ्टर पासिंग क्लास 10. Did you understand? Okay. Now there are many kinds of application, but I have written only 5 here, right? एप्लीकेशन फॉर कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट. कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट मीन्स क्या होता है? आपका चरित्र, आपका जो कह सकते हो कि आपने स्कूल में कैसा पंक्चुअलिटी को शो किया, कैसा डिसिप्लिन को शो किया, तो वहां पे भी कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट होता है. नॉट ओनली इन द पर्पस ऑफ द स्कूल बट ऑल्सो इन द पर्पस फॉर द जॉब. व्हेन यू जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर द actually any job now, so generally regarding when you apply for any job, so generally character certificate is required, and the character certificate when you pass out the examination from your different colleges, different schools, right, then that would be the responsibility of the principal and director of the school and college. But when you just complete your graduation and when you are just applying for any job, right, that time you need to apply for the character certificate. आपके विरुद्ध कोई थाने में कोई केस तो नहीं है, आपने किसी को धमकाया तो नहीं है, आपने किसी को डराया तो नहीं है, आ रहा समझ में? तो who will just rectify, who will verify this? Local PS, local police station, local police station. जैसे हमारा पुलिस स्टेशन चंदवारा है, तो मैंने क्या काम किया अपने जीवन में, मैं कोई जॉब पिक ले जाता हूं, तो ये उसकी दायित्व बनती है, पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे कि फलाने अगर वो कोई मर्डर केस से रिलेटेड है या और कोई अपहरण केस से रिलेटेड है, और भी केसेस उसमें लगे हुए हैं, तो उसको कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट में लिख दिया जाएगा कि दिस मैन इज इनोसेंट या गिल्टी लिखा जाएगा उसमें, या इनोसेंट है या गिल्टी लिखा जाएगा, या हो सकता है कि आपको जो है लिख देगा केस नंबर इतना इतना हैज बीन फाउंड. Did you understand? So, did you understand the character application for the character? And now, actually we just write the character certificate. I have already mentioned over here, PS, police, local police station, right? And how to write an application. सबसे पहले applications को कैसे लिखें? पहले हम क्या करते हैं, we will write the sender address, right? The second is date we have to mention, and third is receiver address. Okay? And the subject you have to write. In application, you have to write, don't forget to write the subject. सब्जेक्ट लिखना बहुत जरूरी है एप्लीकेशन में, अगर सब्जेक्ट नहीं लिखोगे तो एप्लीकेशन का कोई मतलब नहीं होगा। आ रहा समझ में? नेक्स्ट इज सैल्यूटेशन, अभिवादन। हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? डियर सर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सर, डियर सर स्टार्ट करते हैं या डियर मैम भी स्टार्ट करते हैं? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो हम लोग ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। और लास्ट में है बॉडी ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन, उसमें कि आप एप्लीकेशन while writing the application, and not only writing the application, the reason should be there. Suppose if you are absent from last 5 days, maybe the reason that you have actually you are attending the marriage ceremony of your cousin, right? And in conclusion, you have to use the very formal words, polite words you have to use. While writing an application, you always try to use formal words, right? Okay, and here complimentary clause, you register at the end of the application. When you just close the application, in complimentary clause you write your obediently and your faithfully, and there will be your name and sign over there. There will be your name and sign over there. Not only your sign, but also you have to also mention the class and roll number, right? Class and roll number and section you have to mention. Did you understand? So did you understand that application? So application can be many types. So generally students generally write the application regarding leave. Sir, I was suffering from fever. I have attended the marriage ceremony of my cousin, my sister or brother, so that's why I couldn't come to my class. That's why I couldn't attend in my class. So how was the class, my dear student? Very nice. So in advanced writing sections, before beginning of applications, I have already taught you notice. Notice I have taught you, na? And after application, what I have to teach you? Later. I'll be discussing about the later and its kinds. That's enough for your class. See you in the next class. Thank you. Okay, well, all.